If for some reason your sound doesn't work on your Windows laptop, here's how you can actually check and fix it. You will come to um, just go to your Windows setting here. You click on here to the left and then go to setting. You can go to your devices and then just look for sound something. Manage sounds. Okay, manage sound devices. Okay, and now since I'm going to be using Realtek high definition audio, just click on there. Now in this case, if your sound doesn't work off this Realtek or whatever the default system you have, try disable it first. Okay, yeah, let's say you test it and it doesn't work, right? It's supposed to give you sound, but in this case it gives you sound. But if it doesn't give you any sound, okay, in this case we're gonna disable it and then